In the box. 6-foot double braided USB A to Lightning charging cable for charging compatible devices. 2-pack, dark gray. Universal compatibility. Works with iPhone SE, 2nd Gen, 11, XS, XS Max, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8 sevenths Plus, 7 sixths S Plus, 6S, 6 Plus, 6 fifths S, 5C, 5, iPad Pro, iPad Air, Air 2, iPad Mini, Mini 2, Mini 4, iPad 4th Gen, iPod Touch 5th Gen, iPod Nano 7th Gen and Beats Pill Plus. MFi Certified. Uses Apple's original C89 smart chip to recognize and connect to Apple devices immediately. MFi Certified cables provide a safe and stable charging solution. Fast charging. Wide diameter wires and reduced cord resistance maximize charging speed, supports up to 2.4 amps charging current. Durable design. Added layer of protection to Lightning and USB ends for improved durability and to reduce fraying. Cable tested to bend 90 degrees 10,000 times. Secure fit. Sturdy unibody connectors resist damage while ensuring a secure fit with every insertion. Top reviews from the United States. Good, cheap, reliable charger. This charger is amazing for the price. I needed a charger to have in the car and this charger does the trick every time. I have bent it quite a bit and it hasn't broke or had any issues yet. I can definitely recommend this charger to anyone looking for a good cheap alternative for an actual Apple charger that breaks super fast. This charger is durable and at a good price. If you're indecisive on which kind of charger to get, this is definitely a charger to have.